In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the subject line in Brevo efficiently and effectively. Now, whether you're crafting a brand new email campaign or tweaking an existing one, understanding how to modify your subject line is crucial for grabbing your reader's attention and ensuring your messages are opened. So, let's dive right into this simple process. First things first, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Brevo's website. If you're not already familiar with the platform, it's a powerful tool for managing email campaigns, and it's quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Once you've made your way to the website, the next step is to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. If you encounter any issues at this point, it's worth checking if your caps lock is turned off or if you might need to reset your password. After a successful login, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the central hub where all the magic happens. Your next move depends on whether you're starting from scratch or modifying an existing campaign. If you're initiating a new campaign, select the option for creating a new email campaign. On the other hand, if you're revising an existing campaign, locate the campaign you wish to edit. Regardless of your starting point, you'll be funneled through to the campaign settings page. This is where the actual editing takes place. Now, the campaign settings page can initially seem a bit overwhelming if you're not used to it, but don't worry. You're mainly focused on finding the section labeled either Subject or Subject Line. Typically, this field is prominently displayed towards the top, as it's such a crucial element of any email campaign. Once you have located this section, click into the field so you're ready to make your edits. This brings us to the heart of the task, entering your desired subject line. Think of your subject line as the headline for a news article. It's the first impression and needs to be compelling but concise. As you type it in, consider your audience and the message you want to deliver. Is it attention-grabbing? Does it hint at the value inside the email? Once you're satisfied with your carefully crafted subject line, all that remains is to ensure that you save the campaign settings. Typically, the Save button should be clearly labeled and easy to find. Click it, and rest assured that your edits are finalized and ready to make an impact when your email is sent out. And that's it. You've successfully edited the subject line in Brevo. By following these steps, you can polish your email campaigns to better capture your audience's attention and improve your chances of getting the engagement your content deserves. Thank you for watching, and happy campaigning.